guys, welcome to my kitchen, and I'm about to turn into a mean baker. Baking is not my strength, anything but thankfully Caroline's Cupcakes on Instagram, they do, if you follow me, oh of course you follow me, all my birthday cakes are from her. Yeah, so now she's made it easy. Hakuna sijui kupima unga, sijui ufanye nini, kumix, you know, that's the tricky part. She's done that part for you. She has a cake mix. You can see them over here. There's vanilla, there's a mix for pancakes and waffles. Wow, there's banana, gluten-free, what were weight loss. But this is my favorite, so this is what I'm going to try and see, and then I'm going to have it with some ice cream on my cheat day. Every day is cheat day. Okay, let's do this. So I have my ingredients here. So I have my cake mix from Caroline's Cupcakes, and then I have my 130 ml. She's written for you here the procedure. So I need 140 grams of butter or margarine or vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Then there's 130 ml water. I have it here, and then 3 eggs. I have 3 eggs here. What else? And that's it. Let me get my whisk, then we mix them together. So definitely the first step is to preheat your oven, which I have done at 180 degrees. Then I'm going to pour. She's written the instructions for you at the back there, if you can see the ingredients and the directions on how to bake your cake. So I'm just going to follow them and pour my cake mix. So there goes my cake mix. Then what does it say? In a large bowl, add the cake mix, butter or vegetable oil here. There it goes. And then water, eggs, and whisk vigorously. Haya, sasa tuweke mayai. Hivyo ndivyo watu wanafanyanga mashef wa ngori. I feel now. Oi. There you go. And then our water. Then I'm going to mix it. Am I vigorous enough? So we're mixing. Remember, vigorous. That's it. So easy, right? Then evil too. Make your orders, please. Caroline, you have competition now. I can deliver to you personally. Let's see how this goes. So I've mixed. Of course, you have to dust your baking tin. You have to takasa mafuta on your baking tin. At least I know a little bit about baking. I try. Then just it a bit. I watch baking shows. I'm trying. Are we gonna pour our mixture?
20 minutes later.
And it's ready. And we're done. So there is my red velvet, which is my favorite cake, and I'm just gonna have it with a scoop or 2 of ice cream. Where is it? So go get your Caroline's cake mix at Chandrana Supermarket and at Carrefour as well. Yeah? And enjoy. It lost me auntie yako. Akisha nikubaya.